Harry Potter fans, this one's for you. Frozen Butterbeer, Harry Potter's favorite. So we start off with some cream soda, Harry's favorite soda. Okay, so we pour that in. Beautiful. All right. This is what they drink a lot in Slytherin, cream soda. Slytherin, that's what it's called, right? So you put those in the freezer, get them into cubes, put them in our blender. So you know what's going here. Vanilla vodka, that's what we follow it. Voldemort really loves vanilla vodka. And then some butterscotch snaps. All right? Blend, blend, blend. Okay? Pour that in. Look at it, look at it, look at it. This is a Hogwarts classic, by the way, okay? Then we come behind with some whipped topping and caramel syrup. So we pour the caramel syrup on the whipped topping. Look like ice cream, but that's not like ice cream, guys. That's whipped topping. But you could try it with ice cream, I guess. It'll be melting, though. So you stir those two together, and now we're pouring that over to create kind of a foam, as if it's a beer foam. You see? We make it look like beer. And then we put some more caramel syrup on because you could never have enough caramel. Hurry, stay tipsy.